Welcome to Larkin Learning Labs, and today what we're going to learn about is how to make a GIF or a GIF or however GIF, whatever you want to call it. All right, so the first thing you're going to need is a video. This is a clipped up video. I put it into Movie Maker, iMovie, and I made it so I didn't have any good front and end parts. It's only 6 seconds long, and that's all it is. It's just me going like that. And that's it. So then what you want to do is you want to go to this website called unscreen.com. All right, so you're going to upload your clip. I'm going to find my movie and then press open. And then what ends up happening is a little bit of magic through the internet. It's a web-based thing. It turns it into a GIF or a GIF. You can change it where it has a transparent background and it will just be white, or you can actually put in other types of blues or other types of backgrounds that they have. So this one's kind of neat. So then what you do is you go over to the right hand side and then you press GIF or GIF, and then it's going to end up putting it onto, and you have it right here, and you can import it into anything that you want to do. And that's simply it. Have fun. Thanks. Have a good day.